Afternoon, folks. Thought I'd get a little nature share in. I got one of the resident hawks flew and landed on a tree right here. Oh shit! I caught him flying in. He swooped down close and scared the crap out of me. See if he does anything. Last time he was here, he got chased off by some crows. Oh, and gone. Alright, well, that's the nature share for today. Y'all take it easy. Beautiful day. No, let me get one more thing. No trails today. I was amazed. Got a nice little patch of blue. It's been a really nice day. Alright, that's about all I've got. Take it easy.